What? Kryptonite! Radioactive spiders and kryptonite.
This is impossible to have sex in here.
How did we go from talking about Twilight to my bed?
Squeaky. What else do I say? I'm trying to lean. You'd be disgusting.
What?
Your parents had sex.
Okay.
It would.
Shut up.
It would. Ow.
Yo, it's a camera flip-flop. I got a blister from that.
Is this real alligator?
Yeah, I have an alligator purse, backpack.
Don't do that. I don't like when you do that. It is. No!
Yo, my laptop just like shut down.
Really?
Yeah.
I'll try.
No, it's back.
It's alive.